Imagine what it would be like having the life that you prefer. Imagine what it would be like having your business, your practice, your product, and being on radio anytime you prefer. Doing an interview to promote what you do, getting your message out, and being really well received. In fact, watching your database increase. Yes, this is Debbie Dashinger, and here I am in the forest. How gorge is this? How peaceful and serene is this? Well, you know what? That's what happens too. When success comes along, you're doing what you prefer, being your authentic self and putting your message out there in the best possible way. You have a lot of success and freedom to do amazing things such as this. So what I'm going to tell you is that there's a teleseminar coming up, and it's at your request. You all have written to me and said, please do this, please do this. I've had beginners write and say, I don't know what I'm doing. I have people, by the way, who are really very influential and have done quite a bit in their realm as speakers and writers and business and coaches. However, they just don't know. How do I pick up the phone to get a radio show? Do I write an email? Do I send them my books? How do I connect? And how do I know the size of the show? And once I get on the show, what do I do? And how do I follow up? And let me tell you, it's like anything else, right? If you know how to bake a cake, you can do it anytime. I know how to get you on radio. I know how to allow you to be the expert that you already are and to work in the niche that you do. And isn't it about time? Happy New Year, everybody. So join this teleseminar that's starting up, that I am teaching and leading, and so excited to finally give you the information and enjoy all your amazing wins. 2014, darling, it's going to be off the hook. So join me, please, please. It's a tax write-off for you. True. Promotion and marketing for your business. How does it get any better than that? So go to my website, Deborah Dashinger, Dachinger, DeborahDashinger.com/3 proven secrets, 3-proven secrets, DeborahDashinger.com, 3. It's a mouth, it's a twister. Don't say it on the radio. Anyway, I love you and I adore you. And for everybody who asked me to do this, this one's for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the teleseminar so that I can hear you on the radio, being exquisite while you're being interviewed and fielding the offers that are going to start coming to you, because you're going to be amazing at getting your message out there. DeborahDashinger.com, 3 proven secrets.